Hello and welcome to another video. I know it's been a while since my last upload. I've been quite busy with some other work next to my YouTube stuff. There has to be something that brings money and bread to the table at this moment. And that's not YouTube, unfortunately. So I've been really trying to get the cars ready for some video shooting. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these things. I'll show you some footage of how they are looking on the car right now from the Mini Coupe. They are quite strongly deteriorating at this moment, or whatever you're calling it. There's some moisture that's come in between the metal of the sticker and the outside plate. So I'll be replacing those to give it a nice clean look on the tires again. The back side is just some 3M adhesive, if the camera wants to focus. So I hope it will be an easy replacement. I have 4 of these, so I'm going to do all 4 tires. And I'm going to take you with me and show you how it goes. And in the meanwhile, I'll try to work a bit on my B-roll and other video storytelling skills. So let's go. So first of all, we're going to move some cars around. Make sure we have the right one in the driveway. Alright, so let's take a look. So these are the ones that are deteriorating. As you can see, a lot of moisture in between the plate. And this is a new one. Just a comparison size seems to be fine, so that's a good thing. And we'll just have to see how we can take these off nicely and without too much remaining gunk or stuff that's in the way. I have a couple of these plastic shims, I don't know how you call them. You can use them to pry stuff out of there. A couple of different variations. So let's see if we can take those out easily. And if we can get in between it. Doesn't really want to get in between those. And that's only the plastic. I don't know if there's an easy way to do this or not, but I guess we'll find out. I was thinking about maybe taking the whole wheel off and then popping this one out from the middle and then see if I can take it off some other way. But I think even those plastic shims don't get in between the plastic and the rim itself. or the cap. So I'm gonna try with an even thinner screwdriver or something. You just have to be a bit more careful with that. Just looking for a very thin flat screwdriver at this moment. I thought the other plastic things would work, but unfortunately they're not thin enough or strong enough to lift it. Let's try this one. Yeah, that works a lot better. Alright. Now, that's a lot of plastic or glue or whatever it is. I think these might come in handy after all. Just trying to clean it up as much as possible. Now, let's take a look. I got some diluted all-purpose cleaner here, just to clean it up a bit. There's still a lot of gunk left. I might need to use something stronger or more effective at removing glue rests. Alright, let's take another trip to the garage. Alright, I found some stronger stuff. This is sticker remover. It's used to remove adhesive stuff from stickers normally, so let's take a look how this goes. Just a little bit. Try not to hit the rim here. I don't know what this will do to paint. Seems to do a better job, and that's a good thing. Let's try for some friction from the cloth. I think that's proper enough for this one. You have a nice clean surface to stick the new one. Let's take a last fitment test. It seems about right. Let's see if there was a certain alignment. I think it was like this. I'll try to do it the same. It's not going too well. And half of the sticker backing is not peeling properly. Let's see if we can fix that. Alright, that's better. And it was this way around. A nice fitment. And there we go. Just giving a good press all around. And I got these straight from the official BMW or Mini Cooper dealer. I didn't want to put on some, just cover stickers from AliExpress or something. So these are genuine Cooper Works, adhesive stickers. They're also aluminum or some kind of metal. So nice and high quality, as you would expect from Cooper Works. So that should be it. First one down, 3 more to go. Of course, the rest of the wheel isn't that clean at this moment, but that's for afterwards. Give the whole car a good clean, especially before filming. So let's continue with the other ones. I'm gonna do the other ones a bit faster with some kind of a time lapse, as I don't want to bother you by watching me do this 3 more times and at the same pace. So let's go. So that was it, the last one. I've all aligned them in the same direction. Just from this one pointing straight to that spoke. If you're wondering, these are the V-spoke R133 rims, I think. I have to check on that, but if you're wondering, I think it's those. So yeah, it's a quick little fix or upgrade to really make the rims look their best again. So it's a nice thing, easy to do, cheap fix, and it looks way better. So yeah, I'll shoot some B-roll of it, and that would be it for this video. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit different as to all the photography stuff, but I decided I want to make my channel just about everything I do, and that's mainly photography, more and more video work, and I like to play around with cars a bit. So I have some other small projects car related that will be coming up soon, and I hope to improve my video editing and video work while I'm working on those. So yeah, follow along, like the video if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.